Hensley's friends. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of the day it is for you. Mrs. Hensley's a little bright today. It's Thursday. I hope you guys are having an awesome Thursday. Okay, it's time to do our calendar. Okay, yesterday was October the 21st. So what comes after 21? Let's start with 15. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. You can't see that, can you? 22 is a pumpkin. So remember our pattern is back pumpkin, or A, B, A, B, right? Okay, friends, who knows what today is? Mrs. Hensley said it a little bit ago. Today, oh, I get to stick my tongue out today. What day is it? Thursday. Today is Thursday. So, and what comes after Thursday? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Oh, okay, it's not Friday yet, Mrs. Hensley. Friday. So tomorrow will be Friday. What was yesterday? Let's see what comes before Thursday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is Thursday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. And guess what, friends? If we get to come back next week, I think we're supposed to. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see what happens. But if we do come back next week, we will have leaders and we'll do the weather. Yay! We'll get to do our whole calendar. That's exciting, isn't it? Okay, let's figure out how many days we've been in school. And there is that again. Mrs. Hensley always forgets to turn the lights off. We won't have the lights off when we're in the classroom because you guys will be able to see. But I have to have the lights off a little bit because we have that glare. I'm going to try to turn maybe one light on and maybe we won't have that much of a glare. Let's see. Okay, that is better. Okay, so we need to add a straw and a tally for the numbers of days that we've been in school. Okay, so here's our straw. Let's add one tally to our tally chart. And let's count 10, 20, 30. So we have 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Let's see if we have 38 tally marks. We should. Uh-oh. Guess what? One of them fell out. And if we don't have it in there, it's going to be 37. So we have to have 38 in there, right? Okay. So let's count our tally marks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. And 38 is a 3 and an 8. 3 and an 8. Okay, so we're going to go right over here, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Right over here. Right over here. Okay, here is our Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is located in the New York Harbor, and it is a symbol of the United States, our country, and a symbol of freedom. Okay. And the United States flag is also known as the American flag. It has 50 stars for the 50 states and 13 stripes for the 13 colonies. Okay, we are going to write the date and the month. Let's see what it is. It's October, so we've got to count. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October. 5, 10, 10. I'm holding 10 fingers up, so it is 10-22-20. Or we can abbreviate that October, finger space, 22, comma, 2020. Or we can write October all the way out. A long month. October 22nd, 2020. Okay, friends. Now, we are going to count. Oh, I do have my pointer right here. I moved, and there's a glare. And there's a glare. We're going to count to 100. So, here we go. Are you guys ready? Can you see it? Might be better right here. It's head on. That might be better. Okay, get on this side. Nope, I'm getting on this side. I know I'm indecisive today. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100! Yay! We counted to 100. Good for you, friends. Awesome job. Okay, let's see what we are doing today. Woo, you can see Mrs. Hensley is bright today. Bright pink. Okay. Today, we will be doing our letter sound chart, writing the letter S, uppercase and lowercase. You will also have an ending sound activity that will come after our daily message. October journal writing, greater than, less than math activity with the Number Gator song again. And we will be reviewing vocabulary, and you will be listening to the story There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Some Leaves. And you will draw 2 things that she swallowed. Okay, so you'll have to listen to the story to get details from the story. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday. I want you to tell me what your favorite part of Mouse's First Fall was. Okay, when you listen to the story Mouse's First Fall, what was your favorite part of that story? If you have not done that yet, you'll need to do that and then come back to the daily message. Okay, I hope you have an awesome Thursday, and Mrs. Hensley will see you friends soon. Bye.